आय फील व्हेरी गुड. डॉक्टर रामानी त्यांचे सगळे ग्रुप जसं आम्ही अंतरूच रनर्स हांवूय मेंबर आसा, आनंदी मेंबर आसा. थँक्यू म्हणटा की आमकां बरो प्लॅटफॉर्म तिणें रनराक दिलो. हे जस्ट हांव तूं पळयलां फुडें ते वॉट स्ट्रेस आनी स्ट्रेसा खातीर तो खूब गरजेचो आसा. वॉकिंग, रनिंग एनी फॉर्म ऑफ फिटनेस. सो आमी पयलीं हांव मॅरेथॉन करतालो 21:10 मागीर कोवीड जातकीर मातसो स्टॉप जालो. सो आतां परत सुरू केला. आमचो आनंद आसा कॉन्सिलर आमचो तो सगळे हांगा आसा आनी सगळे रनर्स जे गोंयाचे भायले आयला तांकां हांव आनी गोंयचे आनी फोंड्याचे खास करून तांकां सगळ्या पोंडा म्युनिसिपल कॉन्सिलच्या वतीन वेलकम करता. आनी अशें हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता सगळे जे नागरीक आसा गोंयचे आनी देशा भायले गोंया भायले तरी देशा भायले पार्टिसिपेट जाता की आमी आतां वॉकिंग, रनिंग रुटीन दवरपाक जाय टू स्टे फिट, टू stay healthy.
I'm feeling excellent. I'm feeling very strong, and I feel like I'm coming again next year also.
Well, just so we let you know once again, 5 kilometers with this to be partly to
And enjoyable. And we never felt how much we are running actually like that. That was all because of Rajesh and me, who work very, very hard to get this eco-friendly route for us.
Okay.
And that worked very well. Many runners, in fact, on the way told me it is a very scenic route and that next year also you should keep the same route. So that is a good compliment that I have received, which I am transferring to Rajesh.
मारुती परशुराम चाळके, मलकापूर नगर परिषद, तालुका कराड, जिल्हा सातारा.
तिकडून आला आहे.
हाँ,
किती वर्ष झाले येतात?
2 बरस हो गए
हां.
इधर आने.
कितना किलोमीटर गया?
3 किलोमीटर फर्स्ट.
क्या काम क्या करते हो?
नगर पालिका में ड्राइवर है, मलकापुर नगर परिषद में ड्राइवर.
हाँ, इधर से सिर्फ मैराथन के लिए आया है.
हाँ, दिल्ली में फर्स्ट है. दिल्ली में 21 किलोमीटर 1 घंटा 5 मिनट.
पूरा इंडिया में फिरता है तुम?
हाँ, पूरा इंडिया में रहता है.
We are very much delighted to be a part of this Dr. Ramani marathon. This is my 3rd time I am taking part, and it is very nice to see such a huge crowd.
I'm Prajakta Gauss here, and this was my very exciting marathon race. I was very excited for this, and I practiced this for almost 1 month. I'm practicing for this, and finally I have done. And the big inspiration is my husband Praveen Gauss. He is a professional marathon runner. He inspired me a lot for this, and I'm just waiting for this marathon, and today I have done this.